Hey, welcome to our groundbreaking here for the new Arena Sports Factory powered by Chip Smith Performance Systems. Chip is a pioneer, absolute best trainer in the world when it comes to training athletes, and we're excited to partner up with Chip and his team and bring a performance center here, not only to Harford County but to this region for training athletes at all levels, from middle school to high school to pro athletes. Chip systems will be amazing at helping anyone achieve results. So we're excited about Chip and very blessed to have this relationship with him. We're excited about this new building because the new building really gives us, a full field that we can work on doing lessons and training, but also the sports performance component that will have dedicated space 24/7 to be able to train our athletes. Our current building we're excited about. We'll reveal a few secrets about that down the road, but one of the big things that we want to do is enhance our member activities, and one of those will be with the indoor basketball court on our current field, and a surprise kids factor that will be coming very soon. So we're excited about today. We're very blessed, amazing staff. We currently have over 200 employees here at the Arena Club. We're really excited that our county executive, Barry Glassman, and Mr. Billy Boniface joined us today for this great day of celebrating the groundbreaking. We're hoping to have this thing ready and rolling by Christmas. So thanks for attending.